Thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise in this chamber today to ask question 134/2015, and this question is directed to Minister of Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport. Can the Minister explain to the House the government's program that is in place to assist house fire victims?
Thank you. The Minister for Local Government, Housing, Environment, Infrastructure and Transport.
Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, I suppose I am the last speaker during this sitting, and as usual, I need to make some remarks before I respond. And the whole country must know that Friday is dedicated to opposition. And Fridays are limited to government to present its business. And I would like to record my disappointment that the opposition is not here. Madam Speaker, in the 2015 budget, 1 million grant is allocated to assist the Fijian families whose homes have been destroyed in fire. From the grant, Madam Speaker, 5,000 is allocated for a family upon all requirements are met. Madam Speaker, who are eligible for this type of grant? Those whose home has been destroyed in an accidental fire, whose annual household income is below 50,000, who has a proper land document, and whose house is not insured. Madam Speaker, since the commencement of this emergency assistance program in January, which was launched by the Honourable Prime Minister, government through my ministry has assisted a total of 10 house fire victim families with a total grant of $50,000. Madam Speaker, this initiative is from the Fiji Affairs government. Thank you.
Thank you. Supplementary question. The Honourable Samuel and I. Munivalu.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Supplementary question to the Honourable Minister. Indeed, there is a need for the government to help or to assist those who are the victims of the fire. As we know that I think the Minister of Welfare do allow $1,000 and is allocated to them, but this money is very less, despite the fact that the large amount of money or the property which has been destroyed. I have seen this in Nassau, in Nandi. My question is this. I'm coming to the question. We are not opposition. We are just this side of the house. That's the problem. In various days, you always say that we are also opposition. Can the ministry help that family in Nassau? They were only given $1,000. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the Honourable Member who has stated about $1,000 is correct. That is from the Ministry of Social Welfare. That is the immediate assistance that is provided to the family. That should be within 24 hours so that they have the needful. As for the grant from the ministry, the $5,000, I'm surprised from the other side of the house raising this, about this. There is a process. The application form is available at all the municipal council office, and then they can go and pick that form, fill with all the requirements and lodge to the ministry. And within 7 days, we will deliver that amount of money. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. There being no other, supplementary question?
I thank you, Honorable Minister for Lands and Mineral Resources. No, sorry. Minister for Local Government, sorry, sir. Does this assistance include people in rural maritime? If it is, how do they go about it? Thank you.
Honorable Minister.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Recently, I've been given additional portfolio. I was just wondering whether this Ministry of Lands is also coming to my... Madam Speaker, I have highlighted this in the last session, remember, I stand for correction, that this assistance is for all the Fijians in this country, whether they live in village, rural areas, peri-urban, or in urban centers. Where they can find the form, in rural areas and villages and koros, the 20 koro can assist them through the provincial council. Thank you.